Hello everyone, welcome again. Our today's topic is how you can improve your English, or what are the tips or techniques or methods which you can follow to give little boost to your English. Before we start, I request you please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and please hit the like button if you like the video. So now let's start. If you want to speak English, you have to be confident and determined while speaking. So don't feel shy while making mistakes, and just concentrate on practicing. More you practice, better you become. So this is the first step. You have to speak and just speak. Next one is listen. If you want to speak, you have to listen always in English. So you can listen songs, speeches, stories, anything you want to listen, just listen in English. Next one is spend time in alone. This is the most powerful thing which you can apply. Just spend time in alone and just talk to yourself in English. Just talk freely to yourself in English, and don't hesitate about your mistakes, because there is nobody who is watching you, who is judging you. So feel free and just speak aloud to yourself. And the next one is think in English. This is also very important. If you want to speak English, you have to think in English. If you want to speak in English, then you have to start thinking in English. Whenever you are doing something, just when thoughts comes to your mind, just convert the pattern of thinking. By convert the pattern of thinking means change the way you are thinking earlier. Now you have to think in English, and it needs lot of effort first, but gradually it becomes your habit. So this is most effective one. And next one is find such situations and chances where you can apply, or you can use small English sentences. Find out some situation or chances where you can use small sentences in English. And next one is vocabulary. Next one is your vocabulary. Improve vocabulary, learn new words every day and use them differently in different sentences. For example, I eat mango. This is one sentence, and how you can use it differently here. Do I eat mango? Mangoes are everyone's favorites. Such you can use this one sentence to different sentences and try practicing it. Next one is use technology. Use technology. Technology is your mobile, and it is very powerful tool. You can record your voice while speaking in English, and then of course you can delete it. Repeat this practice every day. Just record yourself, record your voice, and listen it carefully where you are doing mistakes, and then delete it yourself. Now next one is read out aloud. This is very simple but very effective technique. Read out aloud whatever you are reading. Read out aloud. It open up your vocal cords, and you will feel like easy to speak in English. So this is also very important. And next one is repetitive. Repetitive means what are the actions you are doing to improve your English. Just repeat it again and again, whether it is listening or speaking or thinking. You should repeat it again and again unless it become your habit. So these are the simple tips and techniques which you can follow to improve your little spoken skill. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.